Hi, thanks so much for stopping by today. Today I have January's Quilty Box. So I can't wait to see what's inside. So let me get this open. This is always so exciting. I love the mystery of what's inside. I just have to find the time to make everything that's inside them now. So here we have our Bundles of Inspiration booklet. And we got all our goodies right here, so I'm going to pull this out, get the box out of the way, so we have more room. So, Bundles of Inspiration featuring Scott Hansen, January 2019. So there's a message from Patrick. Let me put my glasses on. And it talks about the different boxes. This is the classic Quilty box, and there are a couple other ones. Oh, and this is the prices of what's inside. So let's go ahead and do that, and then I can go through the book afterwards. I really want to see what's in here. So we have a mini simple folded corners. Make accurate folded corners every time. Choose between two methods. Oversized folded corner to trim down or no trim exact size folded corners. 7 different sizes. Used with any pattern calling for folded corners. Right and left-handed instructions. Free video demo on our website. No drawing lines. Remarkably accurate. This is great for miniature quilts and anything with 1/2 inch to 3.5 inch fold corners. Here's the packaging. Oops, so you can see the name of it. It's called the Mini Simple Folded Corners. It retails for $12. So here it is. It says designed for perfect folded corners for snowballed blocks, flying geese, and more. The Mini Simple Folded Corners ruler is the right tool for folded corners on base fabrics that are smaller than 4.5 inches. What you will be adding a folded corner to. Use the ruler any block calling for folded corners with up to even different sizes, ranging from 1/2 inch to 3.5 inches finished folded corner. Choose between 2 methods, exact size folded corners and no trimming. So there is that. I think I already showed that. And then this shows how to use it. So there's an example. And then you can pause that to take a closer look. So that retails for $12. What do we have here? We have Aurifil thread. Retails for $4.99. This is cotton. That was like a fancy name. It doesn't tell the color on here. Let's see. It doesn't tell the color. Aurifil's made in Italy and it's 100% cotton. So we got a purple color. It's number 2568. Retails for $4.99. Okay, and then we have this little Velcro adjustable ring for cutting thread, it looks like. It's called Blue Nickel Studios Thread Cutters. Your new thread cutters ring is a perfect accessory to fiber arts, quilting, and crafting. From thread, embroidery, floss, yarn, and even gift wrapping, ribbon, and beading. The possibilities are endless. Okay, just put it along the edge here. So there's a spot here and a spot here. So blue nickel, that's interesting. Hope you can see that. I can't tell if it's focused on it or not. So it has Velcro, adjustable strap. So I guess that's interesting, but I don't know that would be useful for me or not. Maybe. I guess depends. Since I haven't done a lot of quilting yet. So then the next item is the fabric. It says Taiwan On, Blue Nickel Studios, Banyan Batiks by Northcott. This retails for $29. It says inspired by mid-century neckties. Taiwan On is a collection of vibrant and modern batiks. So here is their fat quarters. 8 fat quarters, 100% cotton. Here's the first one. Those are pretty interesting. I like to see how they make this on. I've looked up how they make batiks, and it's very interesting. So I'm really interested to see how they make that. Unless it's just the fabric and then they print on it, I'm not sure. This is very cool. Have to see what pattern they have us using this with. That's pretty cool. I liked different kind of designs like that, geometric like. So that retails for $29. Then the ruler, the thread. The magazine, this magazine is retail value $10. And I guess that's because it has a couple of patterns in it. It says I Forest. Okay, that's a pattern. iForest is a space-age minimalist version of Scott's popular painted forest pattern. Both sleek and symmetrical, iForest is a perfect way to break into Blue Nickel Studios' urban folk style. iForest goes together in a jiff and can be uber coordinated with the curated collection of Taiwan On back quarters in our Quilty box and some background fabric, or it can be another scrap busting project. And then here's some information on the Quilty boxes. And in case you didn't know, Quilty Box does donate 5% of profits from the multi-month subscription plans for Quilt for Kids. So there's that page. That's the stuff that was in last month's box. Because I remember that prissy mat. And I'm like, I already got the scissors. So let's see what's inside the Quilty Box Mini. So there's stuff about the Mini. A mini Quilty Box has a full-size charm pack, a spool of thread, charm pack pattern, and this magazine. This is the Paper Pieces Quilty Box. And when you go with that, it says expand or hone your English paper piecing skills with monthly Quilty Box English paper piecing subscription in partnership with paperpieces.com. Each month receive a pack of 5x5 fabric, thread and templates, and paper pieces for the pattern. You'll also receive our Bundles of Inspiration mini magazine. This is where you can meet and read about Scott Hansen, some Q&As with him. And that looks like it's the quilt. That's pretty cool. iForest, so it's got like the trees in it. That's neat. And this tells what to do. This is the pattern. There it is. Some of them are offset, but some of them are not. So you can see how there's a bigger space here, so they're kind of not straight on, so it's a little different. And this one is a Confetti Throw Quilt by Jenny Baker. That one looks nice. And there's the pattern for that. Here's another one, tie one on fan quilt by Paper Pieces. So there's another quilt that can be done. Oh, okay, so it looks like ties, that's why. See how they're like the ends of ties. And here's some of different fabrics sets that he has. The Nashville, the Ventura, the Manhattan, and Sedona. Your new favorite ring, thread cutters on Shark Tank. So that was on Shark Tank. Oh, he was a fisherman. He was a fisherman since he was 4 years old. So there's a story about, let's see, what's his name? Vance Sikorsky. So it tells about the thread cutter. And let's get scrappy. The Quilty Box shop. So they have a shop where you can purchase some items and things go on sale, and that's where you can also get the boxes. There's another quilter, Doug Lico. So it's a little bit about him. There's a subscriber spotlight. Lindsay May Stefan. And a sneak peek at Krista Watson for next month's Quilty Box Curator. So that is everything. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. That is everything we got this time. I do like the fabric. I do like the rulers. Always can use the thread, and this is a cool idea. And we'll have to try it out next time I work on my quilt. So thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.